Hello and welcome to the ISO 9001-2015 Awareness Training Program. In today's session, we'll talk about Clause 6, Planning. We'll see why planning isn't just paperwork, but a practical tool to help factories run smoothly and meet customer expectations. Let's look at the learning objectives for Clause 6. Understand what Clause 6 is all about. Learn its key requirements. Go through some simple, easy-to-remember definitions. See why this clause is especially important in garment manufacturing. And finally, explore best practices you can use in your daily work. What is Clause 6 about? Clause 6 ensures that your organization makes a structured plan to identify and address risks and opportunities before they become problems. Set clear, measurable quality objectives that guide improvement. And plan for any changes in processes, technology, or customer needs. In short, it's about being proactive, not just reacting when issues arise. Now let's look at the key requirements of Clause 6. 6.1 Actions to address risks and opportunities. Requires identifying and addressing risks early. Example: a factory may plan for backup fabric suppliers to avoid production delays. 6.2 Quality objectives and planning to achieve them. Organizations must set measurable goals. Example: reducing rework from 8% to 4% within 6 months. 6.3 Planning of changes. Any changes in processes, equipment, or people must be planned carefully. Example: when adding a new cutting machine, training and SOP updates must be included in the plan. Let's simplify some important terms from Clause 6. Risk: something that could go wrong and affect quality. Opportunity: a chance to improve or benefit from change. Quality objective: a clear goal related to quality performance. Change planning: preparing ahead for updates in processes, tools, or responsibilities. Why is Clause 6 especially important in garment manufacturing? It helps avoid unexpected disruptions in production. Supports meeting buyer expectations, even when things change. Encourages regular goal setting and performance tracking. Builds a culture of readiness and continuous improvement. Here are some best practices for applying Clause 6 in your factory. Use a simple risk assessment sheet for each department, like cutting or sewing. Involve line supervisors when setting quality goals. Track objectives using visual dashboards or quality boards. When changes occur, update SOPs and train staff accordingly. Review risks and objectives monthly during quality meetings. Summary of Clause 6. Clause 6 is about planning for success before problems occur. It emphasizes managing risks and opportunities, setting measurable goals, carefully planning changes, and most importantly, it involves every department in driving continuous improvement. Thank you for watching. We hope this session helped you understand Clause 6, Planning under ISO 9001-2015. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated. See you in Lesson 7, Support.